Welcome to today's discussion on Terraform best practices related to using deprecated features and models. I will try to explain this topic based on Terraform, but it relates to any other technologies as well. Based on my personal experiences, I want to highlight some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Before we continue, please support this channel. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe. Your support helps me share more helpful content. A frequent issue I've encountered is the reliance on outdated models and deprecated functions. It's tempting to implement solutions found on forums like Stack Overflow, especially when they seem to work immediately. However, these quick fixes can lead to long-term maintenance challenges. Let me clarify. I have no objections to using solutions from well-known resources like Stack Overflow or modern AI tools such as GitHub Copilot or Amazon Q. I just want to emphasize the importance of criticality reviewing proposed solutions and making sure you clearly understand whether they are appropriate for your specific use case. In some cases, as I've noticed in a teammate's code, the solution might be outdated or not suitable in such cases. For instance, while updating AWS infrastructure on my Mac, I faced an error due to a module lacking Mac support. During investigation, I discovered that the module has been archived 5 years ago, despite the Terraform code being relatively new. The Terraform documentation indicated that the provider was deprecated, suggesting to use of built-in functions instead. By analyzing the template, I realized that only a few lines needed modification to replace the deprecated module with native Terraform functions. This small change resolved the issue and improved the code's maintainability. So, let's clarify key takeaways. Regularly review your Terraform modules and providers to ensure they are current and supported. Please try avoid deprecated resources, because using outdated models can lead to compatibility issues and scalability problems. Please try to use built-in functions of your infrastructure as code tools. Whenever possible, utilize Terraform native capabilities to reduce dependencies. Periodically assess your infrastructure code to identify and replace deprecated components. Please remember, while quick solutions can be used, prioritization long-term stability and support is crucial. By using best practices and staying informed about updates in the Terraform ecosystem, you can ensure your infrastructure remains robust and maintainable. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.